Confucius said, "He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior." Welcome, my friends, to this guided meditation for cultivating your inner warrior, based on the ancient Bushido code, a set of principles followed by samurai warriors in medieval Japan. A true warrior is one who conquers his or her fears and is mindful of his or her choices and actions, for they affect not only yourself, but everyone around you. As always, we approach this meditation with peace and love in our hearts, and I invite you to find a safe and comfortable place and position yourself in your most natural state that you can hold for the next 10 minutes or so. Whether that is sitting up or lying down. There is no right or wrong way to practice this meditation. And once you are ready, take a few slower, deeper breaths as you begin to relax your face, your neck, and your shoulders. Give yourself a great big bear hug, wrapping your arms around yourself. And as you breathe in, squeeze your shoulders up to your ears for a few moments, and then gently roll your shoulders back down. Release your grip. Spread your arms out wide to open your chest. Take a breath. And as you exhale, switch the arm that was on top and give yourself another big bear hug. Once more, breathing in, squeezing your shoulders up to your ears, and gently rolling your shoulders back down. And you can release your grip and allow your arms to float down to your sides. Or you may choose to hold the bear hug for as long as comfortable. Taking a soft gaze on a fixed point or closing your eyes, whichever feels more natural to you. You may choose to put a hand or both hands on your heart, or one hand on your heart and one on your stomach, and take a moment of gratitude for yourself and enjoy this moment of stillness. I'm going to count backwards from 10. With each number, take a slow, deep breath and allow yourself to relax a little bit more. Let each breath in fill you with refreshing energy, and let each breath out release any sluggishness that you may feel. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2, 1. Allow your breathing to continue in its natural rhythm. Take a few moments to just focus on your breath, noticing how your body moves and expands and contracts with each breath in and out. As you focus on your breath, feel the warmth and light that radiates from within you. The Bushido Code, also known as the Way of the Warrior, emphasizes discipline, honor, and mindfulness. By meditating on the principles of Bushido, one can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness, self-control, and inner peace. The code also encourages individuals to live with integrity, respect, and compassion towards others. This can lead to positive transformations in one's personal and professional life. Overall, the Bushido Code serves as a powerful tool for achieving a greater sense of well-being and spiritual growth through meditation. As you sit in stillness, reflect on the guiding principles of the Bushido Code. I will name each one at a time, with time in between to think on each one. Courage. Honesty. Compassion. Respect. Loyalty. Honor. Self-control. And again, courage. Honesty. Compassion. Respect. Loyalty. Honor. Self-control. These virtues remind me to face my fears with bravery, to stay true to myself and others, to show kindness and empathy, to honor those who have come before me, and to remain steadfast in my commitments. With each breath, I cultivate these qualities within myself, allowing them to guide me on my path of self-improvement and enlightenment. And now I will leave you for a few moments to reflect on these principles. And now, my warrior friends, if you are ready, slowly bring yourself back to awareness, to where you are sitting. I'm going to count up to 5, and when you open your eyes, you will take a few deep breaths and feel yourself full of energy and motivation and inspiration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if you need to. Take a moment to remember this quote from Miyamoto Musashi. I choose to live by choice and not by chance. Thank you so much, my warrior friends, for joining me today in this meditation. Please return to this meditation whenever you need, and may peace and love go with you throughout your day.